This illustration deals with hotels and motels, NEC 220.14M. The purpose of this change was to provide a new subsection, and this new subsection has been added and relocated from 220.14J to clarify the calculation for lighting and receptacle outlets for hotels and motel type occupancies, and keeps the calculation process identical to that in the previously NEC edition. Now, let's look at the information at the left top of the hotel that you see here. And notice a 1,500 square foot each room or suites, whatever it may be. And notice we use 1.7 VA per table 220.12 because they consider this more commercial, because you don't have a dwelling unit usually in those rooms. It's just a guest room, or it may be a guest suite room, whatever it may be. And notice, looking at item number 1 to the left, we really review 1 through 3 here. And notice receptacle outlets, 20 amps or less, 210.52E3 address those. 2 lighting outlets per 210.70 would address lighting outlets, just like number 1 would address receptacle outlets. Number 3, 210.11C3 and 210.11C4 kind of lists how you would apply the square footage area here and do your calculations. Now, reviewing the notes, also review 220.14M1 as well as your table 220.12 for the VA per square foot rule. Note 2, see dwelling unit sections 210.11C3 and 210.11C4 if you happen to have a room in that hotel that classified as a dwelling unit according to Article 100 when you define what a dwelling unit is by definition. Note 3, hotels have been deleted from table 220.42, and you can't apply, hospitals. I'm sorry about that slip. Hospitals have been deleted from table 220.42 because they don't know if all that lighting could be used if it was completely, all the rooms were occupied. So keep that in mind. That note 3, there's a big change there. And outside of that, I believe that pretty well covers hotels and motel occupancies in accordance with 220.14M.